Welcome to an in-depth look at the armored giants of the modern battlefield. Today, we're explaining the 7 distinct levels of modern tank classification. Modern tanks are much more than just armored vehicles with a big gun. They are complex systems, integrating protection, mobility, and sophisticated technology. From the slow, primitive machines of World War I to today's high-tech main battle tanks, armored warfare has seen a rapid and continuous evolution. Our classification system helps define these advancements. A structured classification system is essential to understand the roles, capabilities, and technological sophistication across different armored vehicles in global military forces. Starting at level 1, we have light reconnaissance tanks. These are the eyes and ears of the armored divisions. Their primary focus is rapid mobility and intelligence gathering, not direct combat. They typically feature lighter armor and high-tech sensors for scouting. Level 2 encompasses armored personnel carriers and infantry fighting vehicles. These vehicles are fundamental for mechanized operations. Their main roles are safely transporting infantry across the battlefield and offering direct fire support upon deployment. At level 3, we see the first generation of true main battle tanks, or MBTs, which emerged after World War II. These early MBTs introduced the concept of a versatile combat vehicle that combined the firepower of heavy tanks with the mobility of medium tanks. Level 4 represents the current workhorses of many nations' armored forces, mid-tier main battle tanks. These tanks feature significant improvements in armor technology, often modular, along with computerized fire control and advanced targeting systems. Level 5 is the pinnacle of current armored design, the elite, high-tier main battle tanks. Tanks like the M1 Abrams and Leopard 2 belong here, showcasing the best in protection, firepower, and technological integration. Level 6 shifts focus to specialist support vehicles, crucial for maintaining mobility and operational readiness. This group includes engineering tanks for obstacle clearing, bridging tanks for crossing gaps, and heavily armored recovery vehicles. Finally, Level 7 is reserved for the conceptual and prototype vehicles, exploring the future of armored warfare. We're talking about unmanned ground vehicles, advanced stealth capabilities, and hybrid electric power systems to enhance endurance and reduce signatures. In summary, the modern tank landscape is vast and highly specialized. We covered everything from light reconnaissance to the elite MBTs and the crucial role of support and future concepts. The future of armored warfare promises even greater automation, connectivity, and adaptability. Thank you for exploring the 7 levels of modern tanks with us.